Hello dear students, I am Sahana Prasad from Department of Commerce, Gopal Swami PU College, Mysore. Welcome to accountancy class. In today's session, let's continue with chapter 4, that is recording of business transaction 2. This is session 3. In this session, let's do a problem based on purchases book, purchase return book and posting them to ledger accounts. Now let's look into the problem. On January 1st, 2019, bought from Rajendra goods of rupees 4,000 on account, packing and delivery charges 400. This we have to record it in purchases book. On January 3rd, goods purchased from Arun Desai rupees 5,000 less 10% trade discount. This we have to record it in purchases book. On 6th, sent a debit note to Rajendra for an overcharge by him rupees 500. So here we are sending a debit note to Rajendra. We had purchased goods from Rajendra on January 1st and here we are sending a debit note to Rajendra because of overcharge by him. So this we have to record it in purchase return book. On 10th, purchased goods from Guru Prasad 7,000 subject to trade discount of 10%. This again we have to record it in purchases book. On 15th, returned defective goods to Arun Desai rupees 1,500. So we are returning goods to Arun Desai because there is some defect in the goods. So this we have to record it in purchase return book. On 20th, Asghar Khan supplied us rupees 2,100 per unit on a credit 35 units. So here he has supplying goods of 35 units at rupees 2,100 per unit. So here this we have to record it in purchases book. On 25th, sent a debit note to Asghar Khan for the short supply of 3 units. So this again we are sending a debit note, means purchase return. This we have to record it in purchase return book. And on 28th, cash purchases from Anil 1,200. This we do not record here because here we are purchasing goods by giving cash. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ನಾವು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸಿಡರಿ ಬುಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡರಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಡೇಟ್, particulars, inward invoice number, ledger folio and amount. So on January 2019, January 1st, we have purchased goods from Rajendra worth rupees 4,000 and here we have to add packing and delivery charges of rupees 400. So if we total this, I write it here in the outer column 4,400. On January 3rd, we have purchased goods from Arun Desai worth rupees 5,000 and he is giving us discount also, less trade discount. It comes to 5,000 ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 10% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು 500. ಸೊ 5,000 minus 500 it comes to 4,500. On January 10th, we have purchased goods from Guru Prasad worth rupees 7,000 and here also he is giving trade discount. Again here we have to calculate on 7,000. 7,000 ಮೇಲೆ 10% discount ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it comes to 700. So if I subtract 700 from 7,000, I get 6,300. And on January 20th, we have purchased goods from Asghar Khan, that is 35 units for rupees 2,100 per unit. So that is why we have to multiply 35 units into 2,100. 73,500. So we have written all the transactions which are related to purchase. So now let's total this. It comes to 88,700. So this is the purchases book. So in this problem they have given the transactions which are related to both purchases and purchase return book. So ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು purchase ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರೋದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ನಾವು purchase book ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Now let's prepare purchase return book. So in this book we have to enter the transactions which are related to purchase return. So ನಾವು ಯಾವ goods ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು purchase return book ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here we write debit note number, this is ledger folio and this is amount. On January 6th, ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟರದ್ದು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ? 500 rupees ವರ್ತ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ 500. Again on 15th, return defective goods to Arun Desai worth rupees 1500 ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವನು 10% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 1500 ವರ್ತ್ ನಾವು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ 10% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು 150. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 1500 ಫ್ರಮ್ 150 ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು 1350. So here I have to write 1350. So 1500 minus 150. This is discount. On 25th, sent a debit note to Asghar Khan for the short supply of 3 units. So on 25th, Asghar Khan ಗೆ ನಾವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ? 3 units. ಸೊ 3 units, 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅಮೌಂಟು? rupees 2100. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 2100 into 3, it comes to 6300. So these are the transactions which are related to purchase return book. So now let's total this. It comes to 8150. So this is purchase return book. Now let's post these transactions into ledger accounts. See, in this we have prepared a purchases book and purchase return book. Now we have to post them into ledger accounts. So ivaga purchases book andre illi 4 ಜನದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ, ಅರುಣ್ ದೇಸಾಯಿ, ಗುರುಪ್ರಸಾದ್ and Asghar Khan. So what would be the journal entry if we have purchased goods from all these? Purchases account debit to Rajendra account, purchases account debit to Arun Desai account, purchases account debit to Guru Prasad account, purchases account debit to Asghar Khan account. So instead of writing each and everybody's name, we can write it as to sundry supplies account. So these are all the suppliers. So instead of writing each and everybody's name, we can write it as to sundry suppliers. So now we have to prepare 6 ledger accounts. First one is purchases account, second is purchase return account, third is Rajendra account, fourth one is Arun Desai account, fifth one is Guru Prasad account, and sixth one is Asghar Khan's account. In purchases account, date, particulars, journal folio amount, again date, particulars, journal folio amount. This is debit, this is credit. On January 2019, so we usually prepare ledger accounts by the end of the month, so we have to write the date as January 31st. So now we have to write to sundry suppliers account. See, I already told you, instead of writing each and everybody's name, we write it as to sundry suppliers account. So, Rajendra, Arun Desai, Guru Prasad, Asghar Khan, Hesru Badlu, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ to sundry suppliers ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನದ್ದು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So, purchases book to total ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So, what is the total of purchases book? 88,700. So, this is the ledger account of purchases account. Let's post to purchase written account. So, what would be the journal entry? We have returned goods to 3 suppliers, Rajendra, Arun Desai and Asghar Khan. So, journal entry would be Rajendra's account debit to purchase written account. So, in Rajendra's account we would write to purchase written account. So, in purchase written account we would write by Rajendra's account. Instead of writing by Rajendra's account, we can write by sundry suppliers. So, we have returned goods to all 3 suppliers, that is Rajendra, Arun Desai and Asghar Khan. So, instead of writing all these names, we can write it as to sundry suppliers. So, here we have to write the total of purchase written account. So, the total of purchase written account is 8,150. So, this is the ledger account of purchase written account. Now, let's post to respective ledger accounts of Rajendra, Arun Desai, Guru Prasad and Asghar Khan. See, in Rajendra's account, we had purchased goods from Rajendra and there is also purchase written account. So, what would be the journal entry? Purchases account debit to Rajendra's account. So, in Rajendra's account, what we should write? Purchases account debit to Rajendra's account. Rajendra's account, we should write by purchases account. So, what is the amount? 4,400. And in the same manner, there is a purchase written also. So, what would be the journal entry? Rajendra's account debit to purchase written account. So, here I have to write to purchase written account, and we should write the date also, 2019 January 6th, and here I should write January 1st. First ನಾವು goods ನ purchase ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 6th goods ನ return ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So, how much worth goods we are returning? 500. Here there is only posting of ledger account. Here there is no need to balance the account. Next is Arun Desai's account. So, we had purchased goods from Arun Desai. So, what would be the journal entry? Purchases account debit to Arun Desai's account. In Arun Desai's account, I should write by purchases. By purchases, what is the date? January 3rd. So, how much is the amount? 4,500. So, when we have returned goods to Arun Desai, what would be the journal entry? Arun Desai's account debit to purchase written account. So, on January 15th, there is a purchase return to Arun Desai account. So, the amount is 1,350. So, here we are just posting it. So, this is Arun Desai's account. Next is Guru Prasad's account. We had purchased goods from Guru Prasad. What would be the journal entry? Purchases account debit to Guru Prasad's account. We have already mentioned it in purchases book. We have returned it as to sundry suppliers, but here we have to post it. So, purchases account debit to Guru Prasad's account. In Guru Prasad account, we should write it as by purchases account. 2019 January 10th. So, how much worth goods we had supplied? How much goods worth we had purchased? 6,300. So, in case of Guru Prasad, there is no purchase return. We had not returned any goods to Guru Prasad. So, there is only one transaction which is related to Guru Prasad, that is purchases, and this here we have posted it. And next is Asghar Khan's account. So, from Asghar Khan also we had purchased goods. So, what would be the journal entry? Purchases account debit to Asghar Khan's account. In Asghar Khan's account, we should write by purchases account. So, how much worth goods we had purchased? by purchases account 73,500 on January 20th. We had purchased, and there is also a purchase return related to Asghar Khan. So we had also returned goods worth rupees 6,300 on January 25th to purchase return account 6,300. So if there is a purchase return, what would be the journal entry? What would be the journal entry if there is a purchase return? Asghar Khan's account debit to purchase return account. So that is what I have written here, that is 6,300. So these are the various ledger accounts. So in this problem, we had entered the transactions which are related to purchases book, purchase return book, and then we have posted those transactions to respective ledger accounts. So here in this problem we had prepared 6 ledger accounts. First one is purchases account, second is purchase return account. In purchases account we had posted the transactions which are related to purchases. We had written it as purchases account debit to sundry suppliers. So purchases account ಅಲ್ಲಿ total ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ purchases account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ತರ in case of purchase return account, what would be the journal entry? Sundry suppliers account debit to purchase return account. So in purchase return account we would write it as by sundry suppliers. On credit side of purchase return account we had written it as by sundry suppliers. That is the total of purchase return account, that is 8,150. In the same manner we have to post the transactions to the respective ledger accounts, that is Rajendra's account, Arun Desai's account, Guru Prasad's account and Asghar Khan's account. So here also there is a purchase and purchase return from Rajendra, so here we have posted it, and in case of Arun Desai also there is a purchases and purchase return, here we have posted it. And in case of Guru Prasad also there is only one purchase, there is no purchase written here, so there is no need to write anything here. And in case of Asghar Khan there is purchases and purchase return account. So these are the various ledger accounts which are related to purchases and purchase return book. And I hope you have understood today's session. Thank you.